Alright, y'all, so right now we're outside the first ever 3D printed homes. Check it out. This is the community. So as you can see, they look a little different. The roof is kind of strange. So let me take you outside quick. Look at all this is concrete.
Showed around my friends, try to pick some energy.